Welcome everybody. Let's take a look at a new question. So this question wants us to print if a number is an even number or an odd. So let's start with taking input. So let's say number equal to int of an input. Int of an input. So if you can put int also, or we are using int supposing that we are putting an integer, but let's say float, okay, because we will put float numbers too. Okay. Now how to check if it's an even number or odd number? We'll divide it by 2, right? So if number is divisible by 2, it should give a remainder of 0, right? So that is what we are trying to check. So if a number is divisible by 2, then print even number. Okay? Else print odd. Okay? So if we just run it, one second, let's give an number, an integer. Yeah, 12 is an even number. Now let's say 15. 15 is an odd number. Thank you.